Bitwala, like many crypto platforms, presents a question that demands a clear answer. Is your cryptocurrency insured? It's an important question, especially when the crypto world seems to change security practices constantly. Let's break down how Bitwala handles your funds and what that means for your security. Bitwala offers two main ways to hold cryptocurrency: crypto wallets and crypto vaults. First, the crypto wallets used for instant buying, selling, and transfers. These are provided in cooperation with a third-party partner. Like most crypto exchanges, the crypto stored in these wallets is generally not covered by typical bank deposit insurance, such as the EU deposit guarantee schemes. The platform implements robust security measures on its end, but traditional insurance for crypto itself against an exchange hack is complex and not a standard feature for retail users. Second, the crypto vaults. These are self-custodial wallets for long-term storage of Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means you hold the private keys. Bitwala, or any third party, cannot access your funds. The security here is entirely up to you and how well you protect your backup keys. If you lose your keys, your funds are permanently lost, and no one, including Bitwala, can recover them or insure you against that specific loss. So, the short answer is, the protection you have is a combination of the platform's security for its custodial parts and your own responsibility for your self-custodial vaults. Crypto is not like a traditional bank account. You must be an active participant in your security. Always check Bitwala's official terms for the latest information on their security partners and any specific fund protection measures they may offer. Stay informed, stay secure.